Once upon a time, in a small town named Harmony, lived a little girl named Jean Grey. She had bright blue eyes that sparkled like the ocean, and her hair was as golden as the morning sun. Jean was not an ordinary girl. She had a unique ability, a gift that set her apart from others. She could harness the power of her mind and control things with just a thought. But Jean never used her power for selfish reasons, always choosing kindness and compassion. One day, as she was walking home from school, she noticed a group of bullies picking on a smaller, quieter boy named Timmy. Without thinking, she used her power to make the bullies stop and walk away. Timmy was grateful and thanked Jean for her help. From that day on, they became the best of friends. They would spend their days exploring the town, sharing stories, and playing games together. One night, Timmy was lost in the forest near their home. He was scared and didn't know what to do. As the night grew darker, he began to worry that he would never find his way back. Jean, sensing Timmy's fear, used her power to find him. She found him hiding under a large tree, shivering and crying. She comforted him, reassuring him that she would help him find his way home. Together, they walked through the forest, guided by Jean's shining light. The light was a symbol of Jean's kindness and compassion, shining brightly in the darkest of places. As they reached the edge of the forest, they saw the warm, inviting lights of Harmony. Timmy was overjoyed to be home, and he thanked Jean for her help. From that day on, Jean's light became a beacon of hope for everyone in Harmony. She used her power to help those in need, always spreading kindness and compassion wherever she went. And so, the story of Jean Grey and her shining light became a legend in the town of Harmony, a reminder to always be kind, to always help others, and to always shine your light, no matter how dark the world may seem. Good night, dear reader, and may your dreams be filled with shining lights and kindness.